served as county tax assessor collector, and then as the constitutional county judge of Travis County's Commissioner's Court.
That's correct.
Okay. And you ran as a Democrat on the Democrat Party.
I did.
Okay. And do you, by the way, do you live in District 48?
No, I do not.
Okay. You or still have ties to the Democrat Party, as I recall.
I do. Yeah,
Sure. I mean, you're a regular contributor to the Democrat Party.
Sustaining member, I think a whole $20 a month or so.
Sure. And that's through your now, used to be individually, now through your law firm. Is that right? I think
No.
Your law firm isn't it?
No, my law firm is a mixed group of 2 Democrats and 2 Republicans, and we haven't contributed to the Democratic Party.
Is one of your law partners Jason Ray?
Yes.
Okay.
He's a Republican.
Thank you for that information, although that's not what I asked you. I just asked you who it was. Now, did you donate to the Donna Howard campaign?
No, I did not.
I understand, though, while this recount was going on, Jason Ray was representing Steve Mostyn.
Our law firm was representing Mr. Mostyn, and Jason Ray was assigned the case. And I don't remember precisely the overlap in time. I'm not sure.
But we all know who Mr. Mostyn is.
Yes, and my understanding was you were opposing counsel against Mr. Ray. You probably have a better memory of the time period than I do, but on December the 2nd, I believe that case was going on to the best of my recollection.
As is mine. Okay. But just so that everybody understands, at the time of the recount, your law firm was representing the largest donor to the Democrat Party and the president of the Texas Trial Lawyers Association.
I'm trying to remember whether or not Mr. Mostyn was actually our client. I know he was involved in it was a Public Information Act claim that our firm, which is the area of law we practice, that our firm was called in on. It was an issue about release of public information.
Once again, that really wasn't the question I asked. Just so that we're just really totally clear, is Mr. Mostyn the president of the Texas Trial Lawyers Association?
I don't know that for sure. I do not personally know that information. I've never met him, if that helps you.
Now, who appointed you as the recount chair?
County Judge Stan Visca.
Tell us the circumstances of that appointment.
I had, I guess in November, gotten a call from Dana Debevoise, the county clerk, indicating that it looked like there was going to be a recount requested. Wanted to know if I would be willing to serve as the committee chair. She recounted that I had been involved in some recounts in the past, both when I was county judge as well as after. And I told her I'd be willing to do it if schedules worked out okay. Then after that,
how long did that phone call last?
15 minutes, I guess.
Did she tell you whether or not there were any problems associated with the original count, or whether or not there were going to be any problems associated with the recount?
No.
Just a general discussion of whether or not you would be willing to serve.
And reminded me of the procedures and my conversation, whether it was about getting a hold of any updated